Roll-to-roll systems are widely used in the manufacturing of various products such as displays and batteries. In these processes, simulation of multi-layer systems is sometimes required. This is a basic system where a single layer is unwound and wound. It allows you to examine the stress generated in the material, and precisely analyze the tension during operation. This model demonstrates the simulation of two layers, composed of materials with different properties, winding simultaneously. This model demonstrates the simulation of three layers, with varying thicknesses winding simultaneously. This model simulates 4 layers winding simultaneously, demonstrating that accurate analysis is still possible, even with an increased layer count. Enhance your roll-to-roll system design and performance with RecurDyn. You can develop superior products through precise analysis and optimization. For more details, visit the Function Bay website.